Hey everybody, my name is Jake Brown from General RV and welcome to our virtual showroom. Let's take a look at some of the features of this gorgeous RV.
Thanks, Jake. Hey everyone, I'm Matt.
I'm Andrea.
And today we're taking a look at the all-new redesigned 2021 Fleetwood Discovery LXE Model 40M.
You know, Matt, the Discovery LXE is one of my favorite motorhomes.
Absolutely. And with the new redesigned interior, I know you're going to absolutely love it. Let's check out the inside and then we'll take a look at the outside.
I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful.
Wow.
Look at the floor.
I absolutely love it. Let's take a quick 360 if we could and just show everything that's going on in this motorhome.
This is gorgeous.
Absolutely. Cool. What better place to get started on a diesel pusher than right up front?
Oh my goodness. Wow, super comfortable.
Absolutely. So this is the new redesigned digital dash. Right? Push of a button, it's gonna come on. You have your tilt-to-view steering wheel right here. Not only does it tilt up and down, it tilts in and out. And I love the digital features right here. Also, this is a 380 horsepower Cummins engine with a 3,000 Allison transmission. Another new feature for the current model years is this transmission switch.
Wow.
It used to be the Allison push button, and now it turns like this. You have your Mobileye collision mitigation, cameras on your left side, right side in reverse, so you can see everything what's going on both screens for you. It is really cool. And Andrea,
Yes.
you know what makes a diesel pusher?
Yes.
What's that?
The air horn.
Oh yeah, it's not a
I
diesel
love
pusher
it.
without the air horn.
I love it.
How's your co-captain
It is
seat?
really comfortable. I know these swivel. So
They
you got
sure do.
extra seating and you got a footrest.
Absolutely.
It's really comfy.
Fully powered passenger
Yes.
seat, swivels to become part of the living area, and you can adjust it for ultimate comfort.
All right, Matt, let's take a look at the living room.
All right.
Oh, I love this. Check out a 3-seater sofa.
Absolutely. There's also a mattress underneath there if you do need additional sleeping area. You have your TV right there on a televator.
Look
with
at this cabinetry.
very nice cabinetry if you want to show
Look,
that.
they gave you a JBL sound bar.
Yep, show that cabinetry,
That's
please.
Beautiful. Look
Very
at that.
nice.
Adjustable shelves.
All the shelves in here are adjustable, and what I like about this
like
TV
that.
placement is that it's directly across from the theater seats right there.
Oh, so comfortable.
Also, if you notice, even though they're theater seats, they still have seat belts
Yes.
on this sofa and this sofa, so you can safely and legally ride in it while driving down the road.
Lots of cabinets in here, I see.
Tons of cabinets.
Plenty of storage.
Above the storage, yep.
And you know what? I'm really liking that they gave you a standing table.
Uh-huh.
It gives you that elegant luxury style look.
Yep, and then in case you ever do have guests, this table does pull out, and there is 2 foldable tables under the bed. Andrea, why don't you show the daytime shades and privacy shades?
All right, so we have our daytime shades, MCD,
yep.
and your privacy shades.
Yep. Now, even though this motorhome has double sofa, you still get the fireplace right there under that nice piece of artwork. And what's great about that fireplace is it does run off electricity, so it will still heat the motorhome.
And it's a great source of energy as well.
Yep.
Check out the kitchen. You know, I really like this window. They gave you a nice panoramic window, beautiful backsplash, side splash. I like that a lot. I like the cabinetry, adjustable shelves. Oh, this is a peninsula, isn't
It
it?
sure is. It's a pull-out peninsula.
Oh, I like that. We got the drawers.
Mhm.
Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Whirlpool convection microwave. Nice. Let's see what we got here. We got the 2-burner induction cooktop.
Beautiful.
Very nice. And you know what? This is exciting to me. There's actually a dishwasher in here.
Absolutely. To find a dishwasher in a motorhome at this price point
Very rare.
is insane.
Yes. More cabinetry. We got the big farmhouse style sink.
Yes, ma'am.
Love that. And more storage under here.
Absolutely.
Let's see this pantry.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice.
Nice pull-out pantry.
Love it. And I love that you get the residential Whirlpool refrigerator in here. So you get that extra space for full timing.
Absolutely.
Don't have to go to the grocery store as much.
Yep. And one
Very
thing I would like
nice.
to add, when you're driving in the motorhome,
Yes.
a lot of things do go swirling around.
We got the locks.
When you have these locks, it locks into place, and your food's not going to go flying out if you make a sharp turn.
Let's check out this bathroom.
All right. So this is just the half bath. This is not the main bath. You have a nice little sink, little medicine cabinet right here for storage. You have this right here. Look at this. This is your breaker box and fuse boxes. I like how they leave it covered up. It gives it a classy, more elegant look. And then the toilet placement, you know it's a porcelain toilet. And yeah, this is really comfortable, especially for a half bath. You know, and I know if this half bath's comfortable, the full bath in the back is gonna be even more comfortable.
Absolutely. And you know what? I love that here is the control panel, and you can control everything from right here. Your generator, your lights, check your tanks and all that. So it makes it simple.
Yes.
I like the pocket door here on the bedroom.
Yep. Here in the bedroom area, you do have a nice king size bed, tilt-a-view king bed. Also, there's switches underneath the bed. So if somebody's knocking on your door and you want to hit the camera selector, it will show up on your television so you can see who's walking around your motorhome.
That's an awesome feature, Matt.
Look at that storage.
Wow, look at these wardrobes.
Mm-hmm.
That's excellent. Here, I'll open this one here so you guys can see. So you get double wardrobes. There's your extra 2 chairs.
Oh yeah, I lied. I said it was under the bed. It was in the wardrobe. And then look at this. You got tons of drawers and cabinetry.
That's a great feature.
Yes.
Interesting. You know what? I like what they did on the slide here. I have to point that out. This is interesting design.
Yeah, for sure. Coming up into the master bathroom. Oh my gosh, Andrea.
I'm going in.
She's going in.
Look at this. This is great height. I have enough room. There's even a nice seat in here.
Yes.
That I can actually sit down, you know, and don't have to stand. This is great.
What else is great? I love this sink area right here. You have your double sink, double medicine cabinets, double vanities and everything.
I can't get it open.
And then you even have this storage right here.
How did you open it?
Just like this.
Oh, geez.
Held with a magnet.
Beautiful.
Show what's underneath, please.
They did a great job.
Uh-huh.
Lots of storage.
And lots of drawers. Not only that, right over here, we have a nice angled of a toilet position. Porcelain toilet, plenty of space. I have all the space in the world to get done. And then Andrea, why don't you show that?
What is this? Wow, stackable Whirlpool washer and dryer.
I absolutely love that. Andrea.
All the comforts of being at home in an RV.
Absolutely. And the inside features look amazing, but it looks even better on the outside. Let's go take a look.
Can't wait. Oh, Matt, you know what? I really like the body paint on this motorhome.
Yeah, it's a new redesigned paint look, and I think it looks fantastic. Let's get started up front. Up front, under the hood here, we're gonna have a Cummins ISL9 8000 diesel generator. We have these nice big bus-style mirrors. They are chrome, and you have cameras in your left side, right side, and you do have a camera in reverse.
Looks great.
You do have this up front door, and a new feature for 2020 that they implemented is this Freedom Bridge chassis. So what they did, they raised the underneath storage a little bit, and that's what makes this slide out nice, smooth, and level. It doesn't have those dip-ins from the slide out mechanism anymore. And then right here, you do have fuel fill-up on both sides, 100-gallon fuel capacity. And check out these tires. They're the Michelin's 275-80R 22.5.
Wow,
Let's take a look at some of the storage.
beautiful. I love the doors on here. Great size.
Yes, nice aluminum slam latch doors.
Oh yeah, they got the tray.
Yes, this is the MORride slide out tray. You can access this on both sides. It makes it really easy and nice to get your storage on either side. Great. Real nice to get it sliding in and out.
Check out this TV.
Oh yeah.
Wow, that's
Not-
a great size.
Yeah, nice LG TV on the outside. You can see it is frameless windows, throughout the whole motorhome. And then right over here, we have even more storage. Now, if you want to add a second slide out tray, you can do that on any Discovery LXE.
Wow, that's good to know. More storage, look at this.
Storage on a diesel pusher is incredible.
Oh, wow.
Yep. So here's your surge guard protector, some of your battery control center and everything. Also,
We got a central vac as well.
very nice. Also, I would like to add the nice chrome handles and nicely appointed finishes on the outside.
Okay, got some storage.
Because you can never have enough. And then right there's your Magnum inverter. That's gonna run your refrigerator and everything.
Okay, a little bit more storage in
Again,
here.
utilizing every square inch.
That's awesome.
I can't tell you, when you downgrade to a motorhome, even one as big as this, every square inch counts.
Absolutely. Okay, coming around to the back, we got the Hitch.
Yes, 10,000 pound hitch. This motorhome can tow 10,000 pounds. You have a nice rear cap. Again, I absolutely love the design. The paint job, the attention to detail makes this look like you're spending $1 million on a motorhome. Backup camera there. Also, you have a ladder to get up on the one-piece fiberglass roof.
Okay, got some more. Oh, excellent. Look at all those batteries.
Yep, plenty of batteries for this motorhome. Oh, forgot to mention, this motorhome has no propane on it at all.
What?
We will touch on that a little bit down the line. So it runs completely off of the
Electric.
batteries and the diesel fuel.
Wow.
Yep, here's where you fill up your DEF and you get even more batteries. This is my favorite.
Oh, is this the wet bay?
Sure is.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Nice, clean, wet bay. Andre, pull out that power cord right there.
Oh, it's on a reel.
So these, pull it all the way out. So these power cords get really heavy, okay?
Yes, definitely.
Especially in the cold. What I love, when you let it down, and imagine you have 50 foot or 25 foot of power cord, and when you're all done, you just push that button, and now you're ready to drive away.
That's a great feature.
It sure is.
Okay, we got the other side of the storage here.
Yep, more storage on both sides. And then down here, this one, this is gonna be your Aqua Hot 400D. This is what heats the motorhome. It's run off your diesel fuel, and this is the high-end feature, and it's what makes it so this motorhome does not need any propane at all.
Wow, that's incredible.
Yep,
I am really impressed with this motorhome, Matt.
it's a beautiful motorhome.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure you go to generalrv.com/virtual showroom to check out thousands of our RVs, motorhomes, travel trailers, and fifth wheels. We'll see you on the lot.